Hey guys, Dr. McCann here. This video is for anybody that's having problems losing weight on Oral Wegovy. So if you're already on the highest dose of the Oral Wegovy, first of all, you need to make sure you're taking it correctly. It has to be first thing in the morning. It has to be with no more than half a glass of water and no other medicines within 30 minutes. So this is really important. It's really not going to work if you're not taking it like this. And so if you are taking it like this and you've plateaued or still need to lose more weight, then the company recommends that the day after you take your last pill, you change back to the Wagobe injection at the 2.4 milligram dose, and then you can titrate up to the high dose Wagobe, which is actually a 7 milligram injection that they came out with for weight loss. So if the oral just isn't quite cutting it and you do need to lose more, you can try that, or you can also try changing to the Zepbound injection, which is also extremely effective. And now I know a lot of people are already doing Retta, but hey, it's not quite FDA approved yet, but when it does become FDA approved, if you do have problems on the other medications, that also is going to be an option for you.